my life is completely based on my impulsive decisions, which sometimes turns out to be a very bad decision. So I am taking one today. Haha. As you might have seen the title and thumbnail, yes, I am coloring my hair and I choose to abuse my hair condition at the moment. So before that, I'm gonna show you my hair journey. So this is what my favorite hair color used to look like, and I used to love this phase of my hair. Then I decided to DIY, and I put this abomination in my hair. I know, it was the worst time of my life, I think so. Other than that, next I decided to opt for sanity, and this is what the hair color used to look like. I know, sane enough. But now I again decided to go a little bit crazy. So I chose a color, I think, which will complement with my skin tone and everything. But the question is that, will it show in my black hair? Let's see. I'm taking you outside at the moment so that you can see my actual hair condition at the moment without the color. So as you can see, I still have the color stuck in me, as I think so. But no, the previous hair color which I used bleached my hair. Yes, that is the reality. So this is what you're seeing is actually a bleached hair part. Other than that, when I used to bleach the back of my hair strands, this is what it looks like. It has grown a bit. So yeah, one of the reason I want to put color in my hair. And other than that, I also have a lot of grays, which is a little bit concerning to me. Like, see, I have grays. I have a lot of grays, and it doesn't look good. So yes, now that you know my hair condition, let's get started with the coloring. As my hair is already dampened, so this is the best time to put the color in your hair. Let's go. I don't think so this shirt is apt for hair coloring, so let me switch to Ganda t-shirt. Voila, I'm gonna officially name this t-shirt to be my hair coloring t-shirt. I'm gonna show you the product, by the way. Casting Creme Gloss.
In this kit, you will get a developer, a colorant, a glossy conditioner, a leaflet with instructions, and a set of plastic gloves. Here's how the color will look on different hair shades: black, dark brown, and brown. To use the product, just push the colorant into the developer bottle, give it a good shake for a few minutes, and your color mix is ready for application. Before you start, moisturize your face and neck area. This helps prevent any staining, and that's it. You are ready to apply. The process is actually quite easy. First, detangle your hair, then using a tail comb, divide your hair evenly for a more uniform application. You can use a comb to help spread the color evenly. I did that off camera. Once done, let it marinate for 20 minutes. I kept it for 30 minutes just for the sake of it, and you are good to go.
Yes, this is what hair coloring looks like, but I've already officially named it to be my Ganda t-shirt for hair coloring, so that's fine. I'm not at all upset about ruining my shirt. But it was quite an intense moment for me because I have opted for 2 packs of hair color because of my hair length. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna look like, but let's hope for the best. I took a bath finally, and let me tell you, if you're coloring your hair and if you have light bathroom tiles, let's just say for a while you will feel like it is getting ruined. But thankfully my bathroom is still safe. Anyways, I am waiting for my hair to get dry, and after drying, maybe I'll able to see the actual color and maybe I will be satisfied. I don't know. I am just super skeptical about the color that I have used, based on the fact that my hair was multicolored. One area was bleached, one wasn't, and I had a lot of grays. I still have a lot of grays. We will also check that whether it has covered the grays or not. Other than that, black hair I don't think so it will show up. But let's see. Hi. My hair looks black. That's the only conclusion. It has definitely covered the grays, but it is looking black and not burgundy. It basically stained my ears more than my hair, so a little disappointment in that. I was just scared about doing something crazy with my hair. Turns out I made it very boring. The light gets reflected in my hair, I guess. It will probably give you a burgundy tint. I'll do that with the help of my ring light because today is a gloomy day and I don't have proper sun rays. So let me show you. If you can see a little burgundy tint. It has definitely did an amazing job covering my grey hair, but like the things which I was expecting, like nobody's gonna look my hair like this, or you know, turning on their flashlight. That is something disappointing for me, because I was expecting to, you know, get a pop of color instead of, you know, getting black hair. But bleached parts, this is the beautiful tint I wanted, like, to show up in my hair. One of the best part of this hair coloring kit, I felt like it does not damages your hair but gives you a proper shine because of that gloss conditioner thing. So I really like that product. वो conditioner इतना ज़्यादा amount में था कि it is sufficient enough to use one bottle for your this much of hair length. इससे भी छोटे बाल हुए तो फिर no issues, काफ़ी आप 2 washes तक चला सकते हो. My final reviews on this, I like this hair kit, no doubt in that. It does not damages your hair because trust me, the previous hair color which I used, it damaged my hair like crazy and it was expensive. I bought this hair coloring kit, I guess one kit cost around 800 rupees, which is quite reasonable, so I liked it. Purchased 2 bottles, so 1600 or something. Third thing is that color wise it can do better. It does not show up in your hair, but if you are someone who wants a pop of color in your hair just like I did, then you might be a little disappointed, but hair feels soft, it doesn't feel much damage, it has covered grays perfectly. I'm gonna rate this hair coloring kit 9 out of 10. I hope you liked watching this video. It was a very, you know, unscripted, impromptu video. I just was indecisive and bought the colors and I felt like, okay, let's do this. So I'm glad that I did it, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you liked my very honest, you know, raw review. If you liked watching this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll meet you really soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.